Well, today is December the 23rd, actually Landon's birthday, but we celebrated yesterday. I went and got my brakes. My rear brakes came in from my International, so we're gonna put them on here in a little bit, or try to. But I had a productive day this morning. Clayton and Hayden both helped me some, and I got a load of wood cut. Got a load of wood split, loaded in the dump truck. Whoop, put this thing gear. Take you down here and show you what else we did. Split this pile of wood. I had some big blocks here. They've been sitting there a while. Finally got into splitting them. Got my furnace room filled back up with firewood, which is a good feeling. And I got all this down here regraded, and I had some dirt and logs and rotten stuff and the ruts and everything made down here, so got all that kind of dressed up and pushed off, and everything ready for the next round. I may move this firewood processor table up to the shop in a few days and do a little work on it, do some modifications and things, try to get it a little more user friendly. But yeah, I had a pretty good day today. Got a lot done, a lot accomplished. Didn't video any of it, just kind of laid in and got to work. Hayden and Clayton both helped me, and we just got a lot done. Well, I'm gonna fire the truck up, let it air up so I can release my brakes. I'm gonna pull the truck down just a little bit, get away from this post. Might back the 245 up as well to give me some room here to work, and tear into taking this truck apart. Get everything good and smoky in here. brakes backed off. See if we can get this drum off of here. You can see that right there is the wear line on them, and down here on the bottom it's worse. So we'll see if we can get these things pulled off her. Well, I needed a little shorter bar, I guess. Get them little rollers out. And now, I'm not sure. I got it off the top easy. All right. I was going to show you the difference between an old one, but like that, it's wore down almost to that line on the old ones. They would have lasted a little longer, but I didn't want to get into the rivets, and basically it was time to change them. Time to change them. Now, hopefully my brakes are backed off enough to get this on there with the new ones. Oh, mercy. Them things are locked. Don't weigh nothing. Put some anti-seize on these studs. This thing's got an inner and an outer stud, in case y'all didn't notice that, which I'm sure you did. These are stud pilot wheels. instead of hub pilot. Stud pilot, that's sort of like a countersunk head. Hub pilot, it rides on your hub to center it up, and your lug nuts are not tapered. They have like a big washer made onto them. That won't have that drag, I don't think, once I get the wheel on there and tighten it up. And I'm going to put just a little bit of this in the recess of the holes on the wheel. Well, we'll go for a quick test drive. I put my muffler back on the other day. I don't think I told you that. I think I'll leave it on there till I get some stacks. Got that old brake dust all over it where I've been using the leaf blower. And while it's warm enough, I'm gonna wash it real quick. All right, we got the truck washed, took it on a test run. I didn't take y'all with me because it's getting dark. Brakes and everything proved out good. I came back to the house and got some jugs of water and some cleaner and come back down here and scrub the shop floor. I'll show you that. But all that old brake dust and things, it wouldn't sweep up or blow off with the the blower, and there was a lot of it, so I didn't want to be rolling around in it working on stuff. So got all the floor scrubbed real good. Went up to the house, ate supper, took me a shower and things, and I just now come back down here to pull the truck back inside and kind of moved things around. Got the truck parked on that side, and I parked the tractor back over here because I'm done working on the truck, doing anything to it for right now. So we're going to start doing some maintenance on some of the other stuff coming up next. But if y'all will, please like, subscribe, and comment. Appreciate you watching, and we will catch you on the next one.